My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped her. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped her. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats, back with a POV as y'all can see, man. So today, what we're gonna be doing is aggressively driving my Scat. You know what I'm saying? Short and sweet, straight to the point. Nothing too much to it. I'm not gonna talk too much. I don't really know what to talk about. And I don't think y'all like when I be talking anyway, because I'm not that, I guess, entertaining. And my voice ain't that appealing to the majority of y'all. So I'm just finna let the car do all the talking, you know what I'm saying? We in sport mode, my custom mode, but you know what I'm saying? Transmission in sport, so we in sport mode. You feel me? And we finna, you know what I'm saying, go in these back roads of Mexico, man, and let y'all hear Olivia talk that talk, you know what I'm saying? Olivia finna talk that talk, man. I'm finna, I'm gonna go that way. But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? My car is, you know what I'm saying, catless mids, for folks that want to know how my car sound the way it sound. You know what I'm saying? Catless mids, man. Something slight, not too crazy. By the way, I don't know where I'm going, so y'all just bear with me. I don't know where I'm going. This way looks smooth. Oh yeah, if y'all ain't watched my last video, man, I need a new rear back tire on the left. You know what I'm saying? The inside be getting ate up. I need an alignment. You know what I'm saying? Showing why. So I can't do no drifting videos, nothing like that until then. So I won't be doing any of those. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all rock with the POV or noise making. You feel me? But if not, somebody will. Stick 'em. you ain't subscribed, subscribe, man. Join the Cari crew, man. I'm gonna start back posting strictly POVs. POVs and less talking. Yes, sir. Y'all comment down below what other POVs y'all would like to see, man. You know what I'm saying? What type of driving? What y'all trying to learn? You know what I'm saying? All that. I can teach you. Don't say nothing about sliding. I just said my tires is not equipped for that right now. So I'm not doing no sliding. I'll do pulls, teach you other stuff, launching, things of that nature. I'm not doing none of that. Stick 'em. I'm not doing no sliding right now. Unless y'all make that GoFundMe to speed the process up. Until then, I ain't doing no drifting videos until further notice. Downshifting the curb. Hopefully the wind ain't too bad. Nah, bro, that 4,000 RPM range sounds crazy. I think that's where I came from. But I'm gonna keep going. Oh no, that ain't where I came from. Don't trip. I gotta catch a flame on camera one day for y'all, man. Somebody gotta get it on cam, bro. Cause people done told me more than once they done seen flames. Man, this truck going the same way I wanna go, bro. I'm trying to debate if I even wanna go that way. Probably not. Cause you're just all in my way. The build up to the loudness is crazy. A little baby first gear pull. Stick 'em. I love the trees, dog. I love the trees. It sounds so, wow, you know what I'm saying? Almost perfect. Almost perfect. I like trees that even that far away go. Watch out now. I'm rolling the back window down some more. Come on, man. Ah, boy, hit them trees, man, when they echo out that thing, man. Oh, my Lord, I felt a little play. Hold on. I ain't like that. But yeah, man. That's a little something slight, man. I ain't mean to make the video that long. I'm gonna start making my videos short. But yeah, man. That's all I wanted to show y'all, man. Just a quick little POV, man. Nothing too crazy, nothing too, you know what I'm saying, out the way. But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And yeah, man. Like I said, not in my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep God first, keep him in the mix for all my religious folk. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tune in with your boy on the road to 15K. Hopefully I get to 15K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to figure out my audience. You feel me? I kind of feel like the algorithm a little bit, so y'all just work with me. I'm gonna try a little, you know what I'm saying, different titles and different things to see, you know what I'm saying, how to get back in that groove. But I'm gonna keep posting regardless. So I appreciate all the folks that do rock with me, that rock with me for me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like the build, y'all like what I'm doing with the whip. I appreciate y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? I pay attention to all my supporters, especially the ones that's, you know what I'm saying, that's here when ain't nothing going on. Come on, bro. Like, dang, I hate when folks do that. And then want to speed up, get a new truck, don't know how that, man. Anyway, like I was saying, if I was really interrupted by this doof. Yeah, man, so I appreciate all y'all that been rocking with me, man. I know I ain't that big yet, but I will be big, and I'm still gonna, you know what I'm saying, I appreciate all love, man. You know what I'm saying, because without y'all, I wouldn't be here. So I appreciate y'all that always be tuned in, man. You know what I'm saying, don't think it goes, what's the word? Don't think I don't see it, you feel me? I see every comment. I see all that from Instagram to here. to everything, man. Y'all follow me on Instagram, man. I put it in the beginning of every one of my videos, bro. Get your boy right on Instagram. Get your boy to 5K on Instagram, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all, boy. You know what I'm saying? Nothing but love, man. So make sure y'all just stay, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for more. You know what I'm saying? Keep everything flowing, man. And I don't know too much else to say. I just appreciate all y'all, bro. I really do. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, enough of me talking. The video already too long anyway. But make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, stay tuned. Keep the faith, keep the confidence, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay true to yourself and do what you gotta do, bro. You know what I'm saying? As long as you got some motion, progress. As long as you got some progress, bro. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing what you're doing. But, like I also said, man, at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.